Hello everyone, welcome on my YouTube channel Aradhya's Tutorial Hub. Friends, in this video you are going to learn how to make greatest and the smallest numbers in different cases. So let's begin. In the first case, make the greatest and the smallest numbers of 2 digits. Friends, you know very well they are 10 digits 0 to 9. Okay, and 9 is the greatest digits. So to write the greatest number we have to use nines. So just repeat nines 2 times because we have to write a 2-digit greatest number. And to write smallest number we have to use smallest digits, that is 0, but you know very well any number cannot be begins with 0. So we have to use the next number, next smallest number, that is 1. So to make the smallest number we have to use 1 on the first place, and then the remaining space can be filled with 0. So 10 is the smallest number. To write 3-digit greatest number we can write 9 3 times, and to make the smallest number having 3 digits, so 1 and the remaining 2 space with 0. Okay, and to write 4-digit number, same as above, we can write 9 4 times to make the greatest number having 4 digits, and to make the smallest number of 4 digit, that is 1000. Okay friends, now in the second case, make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers by using the given digits without repetition. Here you cannot repeat any digits, and in the question there are already 4 digits, so we just arrange them in order to make the greatest number. So friends, to make the greatest number we have to write greatest digit on the first place from the left side. Okay, here it is the greatest, so write 8, then 7, 4 and 2. This will be the greatest number. You can see these numbers are arranged in descending order. Okay, decreasing order or descending order. And to make the smallest number we can write like this: 2, 4, 7, 8. From the left side write smallest digit, that is 2 here, and the greatest digit will be on the rightmost side. This is increasing order or ascending order. In this way you can get the greatest and smallest number. Look at the second example. Here digits are 5, 0, 3 and 4, and to make the greatest number we can arrange them in descending order. So write the greatest digit, that is 5, then 4, 3 and 0. And to make the smallest number we can write from the smallest digit. Here 0 is smallest, but we cannot begin a number with 0. If we begin a number with 0 like this: 0, 3, 4 and 5, here this is only 345, a number having 3 digits, but we have to write 4-digit number, so this will be wrong. So we cannot start a number with 0. We can start, or we have to start the number with a non-zero digit. So ignore 0 and just search the next smallest digit, that is here is 3. So the number will be start with 3. Then now you can use 0, 3, 0, then 4 and 5. Okay friends. Now in the third case, make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers by using any one digit twice. Here you can repeat any digit, and the first question you can see there are 3 digits, 3, 8 and 7, and we have to make the 4 digits greatest number. So to make the greatest number, we can repeat the greatest digit, that is 8. So write 8 2 times, and then 7 and 3. And to make the smallest number, start with the smallest digit, that is 3. Here to make the smallest number, we repeat the smallest digit, that is 3. Write again 3, then 7 and the biggest digit at the last, 3378. The second question, here 9, 0 and 5. To make the greatest number, we have to write 9 and repeat 9 again because it is the greatest digit, then 5 and the smaller digit at the last. Okay friends, and to make the smallest number, we just start the number with a non-zero smallest digit, that is 5. Then here we will not repeat 5. The smallest digit is 0, so repeat 0 again, 0, 0 and then 9. Okay. Now look at the fourth case. Make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using any 3 different digits only. Here you have to make the greatest number with 3 different digits. Any 3 different digits, and to make the greatest number, we have to use the greatest numbers. There are 8, 9, 8 and 7. These are 3 different greatest digits. And to make the greatest number, we have to repeat the greatest digit 9, 9, 8 and 7. And to make the smallest number, we have to use smallest digits. There are 0, 1 and 2. These are 3 smallest digits, and you know very well we cannot start a number with 0, so begin with 1. Okay, but the smallest digit is still 0, so repeat 0 2 times like this, and 2 at the last, and this is the smallest 4 digits number. Okay, and this is the last case, fifth case, where you have to make the greatest and the smallest 4-digit numbers using any 4 different digits with condition as given. Here a few conditions are mentioned. The first question, digit 7 is always at one's place. You have to create a 4-digit number, greatest number. Okay, and 7 is already mentioned on the ones place. And what are greatest digits? There are 9, 8 and 7, but 7 is already used on the ones place, so go for the next digit, that is 6. Okay, and write these digits in descending order, that is 9, 8 and 6. 9867. Okay, and to make the smallest number we have to use smallest digits, and these are 0, 1 and 2, and write them with a non-zero digit, that is 1, now 0 and 2. We write numbers in ascending order, but we cannot start with 0, so we have to start with 1 and then 0 and 2. For digit 4 is always a tens place. The second question for is mentioned on the tens place, and you know the greatest numbers are 9, 8 and 7, so write them in decreasing order, and this is the greatest number. And to make the smallest number we have to use 1, 0 and 2, 1, 0 and 2. Okay, don't start with 0, always start a number with a non-zero digit. Just ignore 0 to put the leftmost side. Okay, the third question is digit 9 is always at hundreds place. Make the greatest number, we have to choose the greatest digits 9, 8 and 7, but 9 is already placed on the hundreds place, so go for the next digit, next greatest digit, that is 6, 8, 7 and 6. Greatest digit is 8 and then 7 and 6, the last place. Make the smallest 4-digit number, where 9 is already placed on the hundreds place, 1, 0 and 2. Okay friends, so write them 1, 0 and 2 like this. Okay, in the last question digit 1 is always at thousands place. The biggest digits are 8, 9, 8 and 7. Just write them 9, 8 and 7. And to make the smallest number we have to use the smaller digit, that is 0, 1 and 2, but 1 is already here, so go for the next smallest digit, that is 3. 0, 2 and 3. The number is always start with a non-zero digit, so we can write in this order 0, 2 and 3. Okay friends, so here 1023 is the smallest number. So friends, I hope you have learned what I have taught in this video. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe it to watch more videos like this, and we will meet again. Keep watching.